Hey there guys, in this video I just want to make this like very quick and effective. What are the best apps for the Xiaomi Pad 7 and what kind of thing to expect? So first thing first, the note taking, you can check out the Note Shelf free where you can have the digital notes. So it's a great taking app for students, teachers, professionals, etc. And that's something that you can actually like see for yourself. Now another one is Game Hub for gaming platform that supports PC emulators, cloud gaming and game streaming. It allows users to play games using controls on touch controls, providing flexibility. Then you're gonna have also the HyperDroid. So HyperDroid is also an interesting one. So you're gonna have turn your phone into complete desktop experience, capturing the sense of a personal computer right on your handheld device. Enjoy the seamless integration of desktop functionality and mobile convenience. So transforming your Android into powerful, efficient, and stylish device. So that's like kind of like another one that you can use. The next one that also you can try to do, maybe it's going to be like good, is like Mixplorer. This is also like another one that you can like try for yourself. That you can have like a file manager, maybe you will like that. Also Obsidian Notes, or you can have even like the Moon Reader. So this is for innovative book reader with powerful controls, full functions. Read thousands ebooks for free, supports online ebook libraries, read local books with smooth control and tons of innovation. So that's something that you can actually like try to do and maybe you would like it. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this video. So wanted to make this like quick and effective. You can also try the Jellyfin. So the Jellyfin is a voluntary build media solution that puts you in control of media, streams to any device from your own server with no strings attached. And the Jellyfin enables you to collect, manage, and stream your media, run the Jellyfin server on your system, and gain access to the leading free software entertainment, bells and whistles included. So that's something that you can actually see for yourself, and hope this video provided a little bit of value, what kind of like tools you can use, and have a great day and goodbye.